To remotely access a device, starting from the home page, you can navigate to the device management section, locate the device you are trying to remote into, click the blue button along the left to expand it, and then click on your KVM, files, or terminal window. You can open this in a new tab for easier viewing. From here, you can just click connect, and you'll have remote access to this system. Adjust some of the scaling so it appears in one view. You can also choose to connect to the file system and choose to upload files directly from your local computer or download any logs from the remote device. And finally, the terminal window, you can choose to connect as the user itself or an admin and have full PowerShell capability.